Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley and I am so obsessed with Olive Garden's watermelon sangria. So today I'm going to show you my version of it, and I got to tell you guys, it has come out so good. I know you're going to love it. We're going to start by cutting up some fruit. And one of our main ingredients is strawberries. So we want to go ahead and cut the ends off, and then you could either slice them into just slices like this. But I usually like to cut them to smaller pieces when I'm making sangria. So I'll either do fourths or even smaller. You can cut them however you like. This is about how big mine are. I cut a total of 11 strawberries. You can do as many as you want. Next, we're going to be using 1 orange. Now, make sure that you rinse your fruit really well, especially with these oranges, because the skin will go in the pitcher and you don't want any dirty oranges in there. All right, so I cut the ends off. Now I'm going to cut them into slices, and then we'll cut them into smaller pieces. Okay, so this was 1 medium orange. Now, one thing I've noticed at Olive Garden is that although their watermelon sangria does have the watermelon flavor, they don't add any fresh watermelon in it. They just add strawberries. But today, I'm going to add a few pieces of watermelon, being that it is a watermelon sangria. But if you don't want to add the watermelon, that's perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, it's the fall right now, so I was lucky to even find this piece of watermelon. Sometimes I do it just with the strawberries and oranges, which is perfectly fine. Okay, I think that's good enough. Moving on, grab yourself a pitcher. Now, I find that this glass pitcher works out really well for me. Okay, you're going to need some watermelon syrup, and I like using this one. This one is Monin that I got through Amazon, and I will make sure to post it in the description below. Now, I heard that this is the one that Olive Garden uses. I don't know if that is a fact for sure, but I got to tell you, I love this. It's about $12 for the bottle. We're going to be adding 7 ounces of this watermelon syrup. Also going to need a bottle of white Moscato. Now, you can buy any white Moscato, but I'm going to show you the 2 that I've used. This one is called Tiny Umbrellas. I got it from a local liquor store. You should be able to find it at any liquor store, I would imagine. But I got to tell you guys, I also found this Luccio Peach Moscato that I used, and I am so in love with this. It turned out so good. But anyway, any white Moscato that you use will be just fine. This bottle is 750 milliliters. I'm going to be adding the whole bottle in there. Now, I believe in ounces. It's approximately 28 ounces or so, give or take. But I don't know how big your bottle is going to be, so just trying to give you an idea here. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like a strong taste of alcohol, this is going to be the drink for you. This is very light and fruity. Very delicious, guys. Yeah, looks like this bottle was about 28 ounces. Next, we're going to start adding all of our fruit. Make sure your hands are clean and just get it all in there. Now, right now, this doesn't seem like a lot, but once we add everything in there, it's going to be a full pitcher. New Year's Eve is actually this week, so I wanted to make sure I got this video out in time for you to enjoy this picture with your family. Now, this is a cocktail, though, that you can enjoy year-round, so be sure and add it to your list. And let me know what you think about it once we're done with this. Before I continue, I'm going to go off topic for just a bit, only because I love sharing nothing but the best with you guys. All right, so recently I became obsessed with wax warmers. I have them around the house, but I ran into these new fragrances. This company is called Elixir Fragrances. Oh my gosh, they are the best, guys. I love all their fragrances. I ended up ordering 1 of each, and they're very reasonable. These are only $6, and it comes with several squares. You can put 1 or 2 squares in your wax warmers. I have the Paradise one burning in my bedroom now, and right now here I've got the bamboo, which smells so good. I wasn't expecting that, but it really smells nice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and post their website in the description, because I gotta share stuff with people. When it's good, I'm gonna share it, okay? So be sure and check them out. I'll post the website on the description, and hopefully you were able to see it here as well. Okay, moving on. Our next ingredient is ginger ale. Now, I found these pretty small cans. These are 7.5 ounces, which are perfect. I'm going to add the whole can. Here, I've got 4 cups of ice, and you just want to add it all in there. Now, you want to make sure to mix this really well so that you can combine all the delicious flavors that are in there. Sangria always tastes best when you let it sit in the fruit for a while, but you can enjoy it right away just as well, and it will taste so delicious. All right, so you want to go ahead and pour yourself a drink in a wine glass. Make sure that you get plenty of fruit in there. That's the nice thing about the sangria. You can enjoy the fruit right after. Now we're going to go ahead and garnish this with a strawberry. Now, how good and refreshing does that look? All right, guys. So if you don't want to serve it right away, make sure that you cover it up and put it in your refrigerator. I have taken my pictures already. I am ready to enjoy this picture. So I want to toast to you, my viewers. I want to wish you a very happy new year. Thank you for the support throughout the years. I hope it's a great one for you.
So good.
Thanks, guys. Please be sure and share this with friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.